gentlemen, we come now to our first prince and princess of the Little King of Queen of Hearts 2015. Friends, our first prince is James Martin Refraction Comboy. James is a preschool pupil under the advisory of Sir Alex Renumaro, a 5-year-old boy. He is the eldest son of Mr. and Mrs. Hermelito Comboy Sr., Jr. and Mrs. Joanna Refraction. His favorite color is red, blue, and yellow. Friends, our first prince is James Martin Refraction Comboy. Our first princess, Lorilyn Mista Robledo Republica. Lorilyn is a grade 3 pupil under my advisory. A 9-year-old girl born on August 13, 2006 at Was Albay. She is a loving daughter and the eldest daughter of the 2 children of Mr. and Mrs. Michelle Robledo and Jason Republica. Her favorite color is yellow. She likes English and mathematics.